Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Today is the 23rd day of the blessed month of Ramadan. Like every day, today also we will distribute iftar to those people who are in need. Thank you to all the donors of Baraka Charity who are doing this great work. This great initiative possible because of our respected and kindness donor. Inshallah, with your help, we will be providing iftar to the fasting servants of Allah throughout the entire month of Ramadan. Jazakallahu khairan, Ramadan Mubarak.
يا قلب ورفقا صلي على